Hi, this is WB6SVS again. This is my second short video on introduction to Linux, at least my introduction. Like I say, Linux is kind of geeky, but not like it used to be. The Linux operating system is based on the old Unix operating system. I've had some experience in Unix. At work, we had the National Directory Support System at one time. It was strictly a text-based operating system, had no Windows support at that time. So I learned a little bit about Unix, using their help files, and I had to do a little bit of file manipulation and stuff like that. Linux these days comes with a good Windows type interface that any computer user would quickly recognize. Now the Linux I got, Ubuntu 9.10, also came with a little cheat sheet of Linux commands. Now these commands by far only encompass a tiny percentage of the number of thousands of Linux commands, but you don't have to get lost buried in it. There's plenty of online help available for Linux commands and what have you. And if you really want to get into Linux, I got a book here I would recommend. I'm not really plugging it, but I recommend it. Linux for Dummies. I got a lot of these dummy series, and they're very good for, well, both technical and non-technical people. I got this particular book from Amazon.com. It's not all-inclusive on the ins and outs of Linux, but there's enough information there to get anybody started. And once you get started and you get your foot in it, get your foot in the door, you're going to love Unix. Before I end this video, let me show you what my screen looks like if I get the camera down. You know, like just like Windows, you have a screensaver. Yeah, this is showing up. You have a screensaver just like Windows. This is a series of different pictures that comes up for me. Yeah, here we go. Let me exit, show you the desktop. Okay, this particular machine I'm using now has Ubuntu 10.04. The Lucid Linux operating system on it just was an update, but it's still, like I said in my previous video, was free and all that stuff, and it's really good. Let me exit out of here and show you my desktop. Just like in Windows, you can configure and personalize your desktop. I even have Google Earth on here. But that's another geeky thing. When you download Google Earth for Linux, you're downloading a binary file. And what I had to do, I had to get on the internet and search for the proper Linux command to convert the binary file into an executable file so I can run Google Earth. But here's the big thing about Linux. It's the command line. That's where people really freak out. Oh, I don't know anything about command. There's plenty of help in the command line, and it gives you total control of your computer. Now, Linux generally, at least Ubuntu, comes with Mozilla Firefox as a web browser, but I'm having a little bit of trouble with this, so I downloaded the Linux version of Google Chrome, which I'm bringing right up now. And it's pretty fast. Here's a chess site I always go to, Red Hot Pawn. Looks like I got 6 games waiting for me. Anyway, let me exit out of here. I'll have a few more things to say about Linux. Yeah, you can see me here. Yeah, I'll have a few more things to say about Linux in the next couple of videos. Anyway, I will say farewell for now. End of this video. I think. Let me hit the stop button.